What you doing? Do you want to watch from out here with me? Oh, or do you want to toss that mallet around? Is it time to go? Do you want the mallet out there? Bam! We can go wherever you want. You want to stay in here? That's fine. Zoom. I do love how this Moroccan just can't handle not being on camera. The Goffin is by the camera. And the Moroccan keeps coming by. I know, it's funny, isn't it? I have a feeling you kind of be that way sometimes. Yeah, only when you're in the mood to be filmed, though. Which I'm getting the impression you're not today. They are funny. These two are very funny. Oh my goodness. Do you want to watch from under there? Yeah, are you enjoying that? Oh my goodness, you want both toys? Which one should I throw? Which one do you want me to throw? This one? You're my bug. My sweetest little bug.